Hey, how you doing? Now today let's discuss about the Novo and Chase Business, review. All right. So, and as you know, the Chase Business Banking is a major national bank which offers a wide range of financial services, including business banking. All right. And Chase Business Banking caters to businesses of various sizes and also providing traditional banking services such as checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and merchant services. All right, and the banking is known for its extensive branch network, all right, and also comprehensive online banking tools and personalized customer support through business relationship managers, all right. And the other hand is Novo right here. And as you know, Novo is a fintech company that partners with Middlesex Federal Savings to offer business banking services. And Novo provides a digital first banking experience tailored for small businesses, all right, freelancers, and also entrepreneurs. All right, now the Novo platform, they focus on ease of use. All right, so with features like fee-free banking, okay, integrations with popular business tools, and also a user-friendly mobile application. And unlike the traditional banks, Novo operates entirely online, and also they don't have a physical branch. Okay, they don't have any physical branches. Now let's talk about the differences between the Chase Business and the Novo business banking. All right, so this way you're able to understand better which one is capable and which one is not. All right, now the first one is the banking model. Talking about the banking model, they Chase is a traditional bank with physical branches and a full range of financial services. Okay, compared to the Novo, which is a fintech company which is offering a digital online banking experience. So when it comes to these, the Chase might be the best because they are for those who value in-person banking and a wide array of services, because most people, even though they like online, they also want to be able to walk up to the branch, okay, and also make complaints. All right, talking about the account minimums, okay, the Chase requires a minimum balance of $2,000 to avoid monthly fees. All right, why the Novo right here, Novo has no minimum balance requirements. All right, so when it comes to the account minimum, the Novo is still the best, because if you're a business that prefer flexibility without maintaining a high balance, then you might want to consider Novo has the best in this. All right, now talking about the fees, the Chase Business, they have monthly fees, okay, unless minimum balance is maintained. So fees for wire transfers and other services are included in the Chase Business. All right, but compared to the Novo, you have no monthly fees to pay. So there is no ACH transfer fees and no income wiring fees. All right, so in the aspect of fees, the Novo is still the best because it is a fee-free structure. All right, now talking about customer support, as you know, Chase offers in-person support at branches, okay, phone support, and dedicated business relationship managers. All right, but when it comes to the Novo, it's an online email support. All right, so which can be slow at times, according to reviews from even several other users who said they're kind of slow when it comes to that. All right, so the best in the aspect of customer support, we go to Chase because they offer personalized and readily available support. All right, talking about physical presence, as you know, Chase extend branches network across the United States, but Novo has no physical branches as at the time of creating this video. They only operate entirely online. Maybe possibly in the nearest future they will also have their own branch. So when it comes to the physical presence, the Chase is still better in this aspect. Talking about account opening process, then Chase can be done online or in person, but it may involve more documentation. Okay, that is what you need to know. But when it comes to Novo, it is entirely online. It is also quick and it is very straightforward. So when it comes to this aspect, I'm going to pick Novo in the account opening process because of its simplicity and speed in opening accounts. Talking about the technological and integration, Chase offers online and mobile banking integration with several other accounting softwares. Also, Novo has a strong integration with various business tools like QuickBooks, Slack, Stripe, and Zapier. All right, if you check right there, you can see the partnership with Stripe. They also have partnership with Zapier, Slack, and other ones, and QuickBook and others. So the best in the aspects of technology and integration is Novo because it has extensive integration that streamline business operation. All right, talking about credit card offering, now that Chase provides a variety of business credit cards with rewards, cashbacks and travel benefits. All right, so that is one thing about Chase. All right, So you can see there's some credit cards right there. But when it comes to Novo, they do not offer credit card. So in this aspect, Chase is still the best for this because it offers comprehensive credit card options. Talking about loan products, Chase offers business loans, lines of credit, and SBA loan. But when it comes to Novo, they do not provide direct loan products. Okay, so in this aspect, the Chase is still the best when it comes to this because it offers range of loan products. All right. Talking about fraud protection, Chase offers comprehensive fraud protection measures and customer support in fraud resolution. But when it comes to Novo, they offer basic fraud protection, but some users, okay, from my experience, they have reported issues with account security. So in this aspect, Chase is still the best because they offer robust fraud protection and resolution support. Talking about ease of usage, Chase is user-friendly but traditional interface, both online and in application. But when it comes to Novo, Novo is highly intuitive and user-friendly in the mobile application usage, and also their website interface is very well structured and has a good usability. So in this, Novo is still more superior when it comes to digital experience. Talking about deposit methods, when it comes to Chase, they accept cash and check deposits at branches and ATMs as well as mobile deposit. But Novo right here, the primarily focus is electronic transfer and mobile check deposit. They have no cash deposit. So when it comes to this aspect of deposit method, Chase is still more better because it offers varieties of deposit methods. Now the 13th difference I'm going to be talking here, okay, because I'm going to be listing 15, all right, I'm in the 13th now, and that is the international service. Now with Chase, they offer international wire transfers and also other global banking services. But when it comes to Novo, they have limited international services because their primary focus is on domestic transactions. Okay, and right here, I think the best is Chase because of the comprehensive international banking services. Now, talking about the 14th here is the additional financial services. With the Chase, they provide merchant services, payroll solutions, investment services, and more. But when it comes to Novo, they focus mainly on core banking services with financial tools integration. So right here, Chase is still much better for its broader range of financial services. Talking about the user base, Chase is more suitable for businesses of all sizes, including larger enterprises. But when it comes to Novo, Novo is best suited for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. So the best here depends on the size and need of the business. So if you're a large business, you go for Chase, or maybe you are more established business. But if you're a small and agile startup, then Novo is best in this aspect. So user base depends on the structure and level of your business. Now, my conclusion and recommendation, if you ask me which one will I go for, I'm going to be going select the Chase Business Banking. And here are the reasons why I go for Chase. And the first one is the comprehensive service, because with Chase, they offer a wide range of banking and financial services from loans to credit cards, which are essential for growing businesses. Customer support is also another reason because of the ability to get in-person assistance and dedicated relationship managers, which provides a level of service and support that can be crucial for anyone's business operation. Another one is the physical presence, because with the extensive branch networks, which allows for every cash and check deposit, it is vital for a lot of businesses, if I have one, all right, for me to be able to enjoy such a benefit. Another one is the fraud protection, with a robust fraud protection measures and excellent support and resolution issues, which provides peace of mind from Chase. It's a very good one compared to that of Novo, which offers lower fraud protection. And also credit and loan product, because the availability of various credit cards and loan products can help businesses to manage cash flows and also financial growth. So why Novo is excellent for its ease of use, fee-free structure, and digital-first approach, I still prefer to go for the Chase because they stand out due to their comprehensive service offerings and also strong customer support and robust infrastructure, which is making it a better choice for a wide range of business needs. So that is my best option here, which is the Chase Business. Let me know your best option. Maybe you've tried Novo before, you've tried both, and you still prefer Novo. You can let us know in the comment box. Possibly we're able to also learn more from you. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.